Be brave, take risk. Nothing can substitute your experience. Hi everyone, this is me, your Sushila Suresh. Welcome to our episode number 7 of Secrets of Success. Here we go. Become an adventurer. Revitalize your spirit and sense of playfulness. Become a kid again. Once every few months, plan to enjoy a new thrilling activity such as whitewater rafting, windsurfing, rock climbing, sailing, deep sea fishing, etc. This will keep your life in perspective. Bring you closer to those you share the activity with to keep you feeling invigorated and young. Spend time with nature. Natural settings have a powerful effect on your senses, which in turn will lead to a sense of renewal, refreshment, and peacefulness. Peak performers through the ages have understood the importance of getting back to nature. Start camping or simply taking quiet walks in the forest, rest by the sparkling stream. Cultivate your own little gardens, which will serve as your personal oasis in the middle of a crowded city. By cultivating a friendship with nature, you will quickly find more serenity, contentment, and richness in your life. Recall the wise saying: never neglect the body, which is intimately connected to the mind. This is your temple. Feed it the finest fuels. Exercise daily and care for it as you would your prized possession, because it is. Be strong, that nothing interferes with your peace of mind. Do not eat 3 hours before sleep. This allows for smoother digestion and a more restful sleep. For deeper, more renewing sleep, remember that a daily dose of exercises promotes good sleep, as does a period of relaxation and half before bed. Also, do not bring work to bed with you or think about anything which might agitate you. Ease yourself into sleep like a baby, being soft, soothing, lovely, and finally, as Leonardo Vinci said, a well-spent day brings happy sleep. Be careful about your reputation. If it is good, it will take you to the highest of heights, but once tarnished, it will be difficult to retrieve. Always reflect on your course of action. Never do anything you wouldn't to be proud to tell your mother about. Have fun always, but temper it with common sense and prudence. Find mentors to model who will guide you in your progress. The mistakes of the world have all been made once before. Why shouldn't you have the benefit of the experience of others? Find someone who has both courage and consideration for others, someone who is therefore mature. Your mentor must have only your best interest in mind and should be sufficiently senior to offer you good guidance on the subjects you seek assistance with. Everyone needs to feel appreciated, and even the busiest of executives will find time to assist a person who respects them and values their advice. Make a list of all your weaknesses. A truly confident and enlightened person will note weaknesses and seek to methodically improve. Bear in mind that even the greatest and most powerful people have weaknesses. Some are better than others in hiding them. On the other hand, get to know your best qualities and cultivate them. Never complain. Be known as a positive, strong, energetic, and enthusiastic person. Someone who complains in clinical and always looks for the negative in everything will scare people away and rarely will succeed at anything. From a purely psychological viewpoint, things are always created twice, once in the mind and then in reality. Focus on the positive. Be so mentally tough that nothing takes you off your planned course to success. Visualize and firmly believe that what you want, it will most certainly come true. If you look for flaws, you will mostly surely find them. Overlook the weakness of your friends. Be mature enough to ignore the petty feelings of others and see the good that each one inherently possesses. We can learn from everyone. Everyone has a story to tell, a joke to share, and a lesson to learn. Open your minds to this and you will learn a tremendous amount. Friends are so very important to a happy existence, especially those who have shared many experiences and laughs with you. Work hard to make friendships and all your relationships for that matter stronger and richer. The law of the farm applies to the relationships as well as to the rest of life. You reap what you sow, and to have great friends, you must first be one. Thank you.